In this video, we are going to learn the concept of stop loss hunting and why the market keeps you up every time, and this is called the liquidity correction in the trading world. Within this video, we are going to take a live trade together and prove whether the strategy I'm telling you works or not. Hey there fellow traders, welcome back to this YouTube channel where trading success is a guarantee. Today we are diving deep into a topic that is often discussed in a harsh tone in the trading cycle: liquidity correction. As many like call it, stop loss hunting. Now, before you start getting worried, stick with me because understanding this strategy can be the game changer you've been waiting for in the Forex market. Within this video, we are going to take a trade together using the same exact strategy to prove whether it works or not. In this video, I am going to demystify the concept of liquidity correction, break down what stop loss hunting really means, and most importantly, show you how the strategy, when used wisely, can be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal. But before we dive in, if you find value in this content and helps you get ahead in the Forex game, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then ring the notification bell so that get notified when I upload a new video. And please give a thumbs up or like the video so that I get motivated to always make education content like this. So within this strategy, we are going to start with what everyone does and how to stay away from it. This is GBP USD H1 chart on TradingView platform. So what every trader does when he sees such a market, he's going to start drawing lines, support and resistance. So he draws his resistance here, the support here, and then a resistance there. So when the market comes on top, he sells. When it comes on the line, he buys. But you should note clearly that every market will act in such a manner. Markets always vary. Okay, so another thing they do is that they always see a sell. Maybe they have a resistance here, so they see market reacting here, and then they also have a sell around here. So when market comes back to this area, they sell, and then their stop losses are always around, like within this area, slightly above here. So when the market drops a few pips and then they go to break even, and look at what the market does. The market comes back to this area and then drops harder. So these circumstances always happen, and then maybe you have a sell around here and you go to sleep. You come back tomorrow when the market has dropped harder, and then you've been stopped out. So why does this happen always? It always happens because for a market to drop, it will always need liquidity, and people who provide liquidity always know what the tail traders do. They know what me and you do. They know what every person on YouTube coaches, or what every video on YouTube teaches people what to do. We all do the same crap, and that's why we always lose. That's why 95% of traders lose their money, which means that for every 95 positions pressed on maybe GBP USD, they will always hit stop loss, and only 5% of the positions on GBP USD hit take profit. So before we go further, allow me show you my trades for this week. Just like we had, we are currently in a trade with a buy position, but I have already corrected the profits. So this is a live trade, and then this was also a winning trade. This was a winning trade, and this was a winning trade. This was a winning trade, and this was a winning trade. This was a winning trade, and this was a loss. So we only have a loss, one loss within this week. And so how do I come up with such trading ideas? Okay, If we all lose money, then I need to be among the 5 who don't lose money. Check out this trade, okay? I always enter from where the masses put their stops. Now, how do these trades come into existence? I usually start by drawing support and resistance lines like everyone does. If you ever draw a support or a resistance level and it seems obvious, and then you enter from that position, you enter from there, just know you are going to make a loss. Dr. David Paul said that if a trade looks so easy, just know that you're to be sexually violated. So something which is looking so easy, everyone is seeing it in the world. So now, if you have an obvious entry and an obvious stop, everyone is going to take the stop, okay? Check out this trade. See where my entrance was. Now, see where the resistance was. Now, every trader was willing because he saw a good drop around here. So every trader wished that when the market comes back here exactly on this resistance, he's going to sell from there and then takes profit. And then the market comes and then hits his stop loss, and then after hitting the stop loss, the market drops. So which means that of course the market will drop if it's in a downtrend, but don't put a stop loss where it is obvious. Instead of putting there a stop loss, put there a sell limit where you would put your stop loss, okay? And this is the reason why I also took a buy today, and this is the trade, and this is how the trade went on using the same strategy. Traders, I know right now your stop losses are being hunted, and I am getting and scaling into my buys. You can see right now I am one lot, and I'm expecting Euro USD to go higher. So if I zoom out, you can clearly see the chart. Check where my take profit is, and after you guys getting stopped out and me getting liquidity, my positions are going to rise higher. So checking how my trades are running, and this is where I'm entering from, and you can see we have a support around there. So most of you people are being stopped out due to that support, and I'm expecting the market to push higher and higher. And when I get stopped out as well, I expect to buy back from this zone you're seeing, and from there I will expect the market to rise higher to take profit, okay? So right now, let's give it time and let's see how the market is gonna move. Yeah, but I believe everyone is getting stopped out right now. Hey traders, I am back in the market, and I want to give you an update of where I came out from within the trade we are from taking. You can see that we entered from here where all your stop losses were being hunted, and I came out from here around this area because I expected the take profit to be around this area, but when the market reached here by one lot, I was really satisfied. You can see that I closed the first position. The first position was closed from here, and then the second position was closed from here. So I usually open two positions, take profit, and then later another position, keep running. So I took profit from here and I took profit from here. So that's what every trader needs to do. Always enter from where everyone is willing to lose and where everyone is willing to put their stop loss. So always put their positions. When you do that, you'll be among the 5% who always make money and stay away from the 95% who always lose money. That's the simple trick every trader should know and should practice and should include in his or her own strategy.